Here is a Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door, and right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem. Put one finger there and then push it left and lift up the hood. Right there. This is how the secondary release lever works. Lift up the hood and this hood stays in place, being supported by the two hood struts right over there. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to take the strut out, something that looks like this. Get the screwdriver right over there underneath that metal clip and then pull it out. We'll start with the top side over here first. Now push up on the hood and then pull the strut off of there. Push it up and pull the strut out. Now the moment you take the strut out of there, the hood's gonna want to come down. It won't stay in place supported by just one strut, so be careful. Do not get surprised by this. Have a friend help you out, or you can put the strut like this while you're taking the bottom side out. But again, the moment you take the bottom side out, it's gonna come down, so make sure you hold it in place. Get the screwdriver and let's get this clip out from there. And now take load off of it, push this hood up and then pull the strut out, and out it comes. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And this little metal part inside there, that's the clip that's holding the strut in place, locked in place. Now what we'll do is when you put it back in is just get it in place and then push it on. The clip will automatically pop it right back in place. You don't have to take it out before you put it on the ball. Just push it on, it'll click it automatically, and that's it. Exact same process on the other side, no differences whatsoever. To close the hood, simply push it down and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.